Underscore News has a series of articles titled Flexing Food Sovereignty, and our friends at ICT did a series of interviews with Nicole Charley, co-director of the Food Sovereignty Project for Underscore News. One of the interviews was about flexing our sovereignty, an introduction to Underscore's Food Sovereignty Project, and how Indigenous nations are rebuilding food systems. Listen to what Nicole Charley shares, and watch more at ictnews.org and read more at underscore.news.
Being a traditional food gatherer is a lifelong commitment. It's a duty, it's an honor to help feed our people, and to gather and harvest with good feelings in our heart and to go out there with good thoughts and prayers. With different tribal nations, you have complex layers of how nations are, working to rebuild their food systems.
The second article, How Indigenous Nations Are Rebuilding Food Systems, highlights the Confederated Tribes of Grand Ronde's food service program.
With Grand Ronde, they work really hard to have good relationships with the state of Oregon, where they can have harvesting for fish, for salmon, eel, and deer and elk, and having to navigate through their history to build a strong footing for their people. It's really awesome to see the work they're doing and pulling from their memories of coming through the struggle of termination and really using the resources they have now to help build up for their people is really awesome to see. For us to learn how to butcher and how to put up meat ourselves is great to be able to share that with our kids.